So let's say we want to click play. We just go play. Let's say we want to pause. We just pause. Hey everyone, welcome back to the very first video when I'm finally on camera here, and today we're going to be making a menu screen. So first things first, you're going to go into game examples 4, 120 plays. Wow, okay, so let's just click edit, let it load, and now we will be creating our menu screen. So click on pause screen, and you'll have these links, these objects over here. So we can just click edit game, and so let's start off. This specific menu screen will require 6 objects. 5 objects if you don't want the red screen, but I did want the red screen, so it will require 6 objects. The first one is the pause button. The second one is the menu screen right over here. It's this thing. The third thing is this, which is going to be behind, and then the main thing are the buttons over here. And we need to program every single one of them. So go into the layer and do it in user interface. Remember user interface, and then start programming every single one of your objects. We are going to start off by programming this object. I have created every single one of my objects. You should too. All you have to do is just, simply scratch it up and you're good to go. But with that being said, let's click edit, simple sprite, pause. We can name it pause button, and go into behaviors. Now we'll start inputting our objects. We're going to need a mouse click. We're going to need pause. We're going to need number. We're going to need a global. We're going to need another number, and we're going to need a once object. So simply just drag these over. Do as I do. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so you want this number to be 1. So get, set, number, set, down, get, pause. Okay, but right now we don't want to hook up this pause yet. We don't want to do this yet, so we're not going to click it. And give a global name. So I'll add a new name and do it for pause screen. Same global name throughout all of them. Click OK. Now that we're done with this, we're done with this object. Okay, so now that we're done with the pause button, what we'll need to do is we'll need to go and head on over to this object. And in these objects, in the next 5 objects, you're going to copy the same exact logic into them. But before that, we need to find out the exact position of every single one of those objects. So without further ado, let's pick out our positions. What we'll need for this is let's see, we'll need 2 number blocks. We'll need a position block, which is in properties. So do it like this. And then you'll need always get x, y. So it's 0, 0 right now. Currently, nothing is happening. So what we need is for this object to be right in the middle. So let's just start by increasing this. As we can see, it's moving over here. So let's give it a value of 100. Nope, still not straight. 150. No, 160. That looks good. 159. And then let's make it lower. So 160. 160 looks good, actually, to be honest. So we're going to pick it 159, 160. So with these values in mind, we're just going to copy this throughout every single one of them. Copy. And then we're going to paste. So, okay. This works. So 160. 160 looks good. What if we increase it more? Okay, so we need it to be 160 straight. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing for the other objects. Okay, so we don't see it. Why do we not see it? Because we need the display order. So for that, we need this object is currently behind the first object. So we need to give it a display order. Oh, display order 2. Or we can do it 3. 3. Let's do 3. Okay, now I can see it. Now I can see it clearly, and we are going to slowly start moving this. So give it a value of 120. Nope, not working. Maybe 200. Nope. 160. Okay, 160 looks good. Now let's go and see how far we need to put it down. 200. Nope. 220. Nope. This is so maybe 230. Yeah, 230 looks good. Now I kind of want to move this a little sideways because this is not going to be in the middle. So 250, 245, 230, 230. I think 200. Nope. I still don't like this number. So 245. Make it a little lower. There you go. So 235. Now we're going to copy this. Copy. And we're going to paste it into here. And we're going to check the position of this. There you go. Perfect. 245. So now that we know the exact position of every single one of these blocks, what we need to do is we need to save this. So we're going to delete these. Delete, delete. And delete all of these excess things in every single one of the blocks. Now go over to the red one and delete this over here. Okay, so let's start inputting the rest of the logic in here. We need a global, a filter, 3 more numbers, 1, 2, 3, and then in properties we need an alpha and a display order. So display goes over here, alpha goes over here. Okay, so connect this to always. So get global name is for pause screen, in equal to 1, pass. Hold on. Okay, so pass this, fail get, fail get, fail get, fail get. Number 0, and then the number here is 100. Connect this to alpha. And then this is going to be in the way back. So we want the display number for this to be just simply 1. So display order over here. Now we're going to click this button and select this. Only these ones over here, and we're going to copy them. Because we're not going to hook any of this, the top, bottom, up. Because every single top, bottom, the top is different. So paste. Here you go. We're done. Now fail get, fail get. Okay, we're done over here. We just need to change the display. So the display number is going to be, since this is more toward the front, we need the display order to be 2. Now, for these objects, we need to paste, fail get, and then display number. This is going to be at the front. So you need to give it a value of 3. Okay, we're done with this. And just simply do the same process over and over again until you've covered all the objects except the pause button. So this is 3. Okay, and last object over here. Move it over, paste, connect this, 3, and we're done, pretty much. Okay, so now we need to go back into this object, and because we want for this object to be partially seen, we need to not give it a value of 100. We kind of want to give it a value of like, let's do 30. So it's partially seen. It's in the background. It's going to be in the background. Now, let's quickly test it. You click the pause button, boom, it pops up, and nothing happens because we haven't edited the buttons. So let's go and edit the buttons. When you click this button, it's going to unpause the game. So we need mouse click. We need in game flow, pause game. And then you need a number, just one number, and a global. So global number. Down. So down get, set, play. And give this a number of 1. And then the global name is going to be or pause screen. Now you're gonna need to copy this because you're gonna paste it into the other two buttons. So just copy it. So paste. Now we don't, this button is the menu button, right? So we want to go back to the menu. So just simply delete this, go to game flow, go load level, go, and then pick a level. We're gonna go to menu when you click this button. Okay, and then this is restart. So we're gonna paste it in here and delete it, and I want to restart current game. I'm not gonna use this restart game because it's gonna totally restart the whole entire game. We just want to restart this game. So go, load level, restart current. Boom, and you're done. Now, when you click the pause button and you click play, you're back playing, okay? So let's say you're jumping, boom, you pause it. Okay, we forgot something. We need to go here, go to behaviors, and we need to pause. Remember this. I unclicked previously. Now we need to go back to play. So pause. We need to connect it back up. So click, it's paused, play. So for example, when you're playing, boom, you're paused. The player is stuck in the middle. Then when you click play, you're continuing to play. When you click pause, you can restart current, so it restarts the game. Or when you click pause, you can go to menu, and you're at the menu. So a few additions that I want to make for this game to flow smoother is make a bundle. So we're gonna add new bundle, and we're gonna name this button animation. Okay, so now that we're at button animation, open bundle, and we're gonna do mouse click, two numbers, and in the properties we need a size. Okay, so just copy these, paste it in there, and then when you're over, get, out, get, and then this is going to be the percentage. So when you're over it, I want the percentage of the button to kind of, contract. So we're gonna put it at 90. And then we're going to put it at 100 because that's the normal value. And we're going to copy this bundle. So copy, and we're going to paste this into this button. Oops. Paste. So over here. Paste, which is over here. And then go to the last one. Paste, which is over here. Now we're done. We are officially done with this project. Thank you for watching. Let's just give it a quick go. There you go. You click play. So when you go over here, see these buttons start contracting slowly. So you know you're kind of hovering over them and you know that you're about to click that button. You can make the contraction a little smaller, just to increase the percentage from 90 to 95, and you'll be done. So let's say we want to click play. We just go play. Let's say we want to pause. We just pause. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. People or friends, people who are on the Flowlab, subscribe for more great content because I'm planning more great content out there. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching again. You can find me on forums, Flowlab forums, in the link down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.